Hi guys, welcome to my channel. In this video I will tell you about how to install Plus Sign-in on Spotify. Open Setup. If you don't know how to download Spotify, see the link in description box. Now open Setup and click on Run. Spotify is installed on your device. It's automatically open. If your Spotify account, then clicks on Login, and if you don't have account, click on Sign Up. Now fill the required field and click on Continue. Now you can search for music here. Now click on the song. Audio is muted to avoid copyright infringements. Song is playing, you can see the timeline.
Please like and subscribe the channel and hit the notification bell for latest updates. Follow us also on Instagram and Twitter.